Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to report a seller on Temu. If you have encountered a seller on Temu who violates the platform policies or you have a negative experience, what you need to do is firstly open the Temu app, and next is you need to locate your profile icon in the bottom and make sure you have signed in the account already. And next what you need to do is you need to select your orders in the top. And from here, you need to tap on the product or the seller's profile to view more details. And look for the more icon. You need to follow the on-screen instruction on your device, usually represented by the three dots, or scroll down to find a report seller or report this item option. And the exact wording may vary depending on the version of the app. And select the reason for a report from the available list. For example, you may be reporting misleading product information, counterfeit items, inappropriate content, or fraudulent activity. If prompted, provide additional details describing the problem. You may also be able to attach screenshots or photos to help explain your report. And once you have completed the form, tap Submit to send your report to Temu for review. And that is it. That's how you can report a seller on Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.